Okay, so I entered this trade here. It was already set, gave the entry signal, but it's playing around here now, so I put my stop loss just above that wick there of the first game changer line, because that's already 15 points and that is 20 points, so it's just too much for me. I can't go that high. One of the things on the hourly, it opened below the edge. I can just move a little bit to that side. Yeah, we opened below the edge, so it's not a pivoting candle. So that was a pivoting candle over the edge, so I think that will be resistance, that edge, or that's how I understand it. So we do have an edge here on the 30 minutes, but I think the edge on the 1 hour and the 4 hour is what's significant. On the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes you can ignore it if you take the trade there, given that the background is correct. So all backgrounds are pink, and we have the stripes at the bottom, red, red, and orange, orange, which is good enough. There it says area of strength, area of strength, area of strength, area of strength. So there we find, and on the 4 hour area of strength, so just not on the 1 hour area of strength. So although there's volume there, yeah, there we got a little bit of a move. So I was really nervous. My hand is actually shaking because it took so long to start moving here. I did put my take profit there, so it's quite a big trade. I think it was like 17 points initially, so that is quite big. So I'm watching my trade on the other side. Maybe I must just bring that screen in there. I'll make it a bit smaller and put it in here so you can see. I can just move across to see the trade here at the bottom. Yeah, so I think it should, yeah, there you go. I don't know, I haven't taken a trade in quite a while, so every time because I'm just out of the office so often these days, so then it's like probably like a big sports game or squash game. When you're not used to the pressure, it really gets to you. So there you can see how important it is to, well, I always just go for the first the first take profit. Especially if there's an edge in between. If the edge was on this side, I might have considered the second take profit, and then I also take these blue lines into consideration. If there's a blue line just after the first take profit, then I would, but mostly I just stick to the first take profit. I'm not good enough to read the market yet further than that. And also see on the hourly, if it hits the first take profit, I mean that's good enough, and it did the first take profit on the 4 hour as well. So when things start moving, or when you have to take the trade, I just always preset that. I put my cursor there, not on the line, just always before the line, and then that's it. I read it there and I put it in my trade. So yeah, a nice one done.